Welcome to our channel. We're always on the lookout for tools and platforms that can help you work smarter, save time, and open new income opportunities online. Today, we've got something truly special to talk about, a revolutionary AI platform called NanoBanana AI. Now, if you've been following tech news, you've probably already heard about Google's latest model, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, nicknamed NanoBanana. It's making waves in the AI world for its speed, quality, and cutting-edge capabilities. What makes NanoBanana AI unique is that it takes this powerful model and puts it directly into your hands with unlimited access, no restrictions, no complicated setup, and no monthly limits. With this tool, anyone can create professional quality images in just seconds, whether you're into social media content, marketing, e-commerce, or even just exploring your creativity for fun. Imagine being able to design product mockups, digital art, book covers, or social media graphics at lightning speed, without ever needing Photoshop or years of design experience. That's exactly what NanoBanana AI delivers. Before we dive deep into everything this platform has to offer, from features and bonuses to pricing and real-world applications, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We're here to keep you updated on the best tools, strategies, and opportunities in the digital world. And remember, if you want to check out NanoBanana AI for yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. NanoBanana AI is more than just another AI image generator. It's a full-fledged platform designed to make professional-level image creation accessible to everyone. Unlike typical AI tools that limit the number of images you can generate or require complicated prompts, NanoBanana AI provides truly unlimited access to Google's powerful Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. This means you can explore creativity without worrying about quotas, restrictions, or hidden fees. The platform also organizes your projects and generations efficiently, allowing you to manage multiple designs, styles, and iterations with ease. What sets NanoBanana AI apart is its focus on both quality and consistency. It's built to handle complex visual demands, from maintaining the same character or object across different images to seamlessly applying different styles and backgrounds without losing detail. This makes it ideal for creators who need reliable results for branding, marketing campaigns, product visuals, or digital art projects. With NanoBanana AI, users can produce high-quality images that are ready for both professional and commercial use, bridging the gap between cutting-edge AI technology and practical, everyday design needs. NanoBanana AI is packed with cutting-edge features that make it a powerhouse for creators of all levels. One of its standout capabilities is the one sentence equals studio magic feature. Forget about complicated software like Photoshop or hours of manual editing. With NanoBanana AI, you just type exactly what you want, and the platform delivers perfect results in seconds. It's designed to be intuitive, letting anyone create professional-quality visuals with minimal effort. Another game-changing feature is identity lock, which ensures total consistency across edits. Unlike other AI tools that distort faces, characters, or products after multiple iterations, NanoBanana keeps your subjects identical no matter how many times you modify them. This is especially valuable for branding, character art, and commercial projects where uniformity and precision are essential. Combined with its ultra-fast image generation, producing images in just 1 to 2 seconds, it gives users the feeling of creating in real time, saving countless hours in production. It also brings together top premium AI models in one dashboard, including Google Gemini Flash, Flux, Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, Grok, and over 90 more. This eliminates the need for juggling multiple subscriptions or platforms. Features like batch mode allow users to generate dozens or even hundreds of images at once with consistent style, perfect for product catalogs, ad campaigns, or comic series. You can also swap styles instantly, transforming an image from hyperrealistic 8K render to anime, watercolor, sketch, or any other artistic style with just a click. For creators who want to monetize their work, NanoBanana AI offers a full all-in-one business solution. Everything you generate, logos, book covers, TikTok packs, ad creatives, merchandise visuals, is yours to sell, license, or share commercially, thanks to the included commercial license. The platform supports high-resolution exports up to 8K in PNG, JPG, SVG, and WebP formats, so your images are print-ready, social media-ready, or suitable for any professional project. Cloud-based functionality ensures you can access and use the tool from any device, without downloads, updates, or technical headaches. Finally, it is designed to be beginner-friendly, affordable, and limitless. There are no monthly fees, API limits, or credit restrictions, just a one-time payment for lifetime access. Whether you're a beginner on a tight budget or someone who wants results without learning complex tools, NanoBanana AI delivers idiot-proof usability with world-class support. From unlimited image generation to instant commercial rights, it truly offers everything a creator could need in a single, powerful platform. The platform works in just 3 intuitive steps. First, you type a simple sentence describing what you want. NanoBanana AI instantly understands your instructions. Next, in just seconds, the platform generates flawless, high-resolution images using Google's NanoBanana model. Every detail, from character features to background elements, is carefully crafted with precision, and the face lock technology ensures your subjects stay consistent across multiple edits. Finally, you can download, share, or sell your creations immediately. Everything is 100% yours, including full commercial rights, giving you the freedom to monetize your work without restrictions. What used to take hours or require expensive designers can now be done almost instantly. It allows you to create product shots, social media graphics, sketches, or even professional artwork in seconds. You can remove backgrounds, enhance blurry images, change character looks, swap styles, or add and remove elements, all with simple plain English commands. The platform is cloud-based, so it works seamlessly on any device, making it easy to generate images for Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or any online platform. From concept to finished artwork, NanoBanana AI streamlines the entire creative process while delivering studio-quality results in record time. It doesn't just give you unlimited access to Google's NanoBanana model. It also comes with an incredible bonus package valued at over $8,000, designed to help you maximize your results and earn faster. These bonuses include comprehensive guides on using AI effectively, such as learning to expand initial concepts into highly specific prompts that produce polished, actionable results. You'll also get resources to boost productivity, plan strategically, and simplify tasks across your creative or business projects. These materials are normally sold at premium prices, but they are included free with your access to NanoBanana AI, giving you a serious head start. Beyond practical prompts and productivity guides, the bonus suite includes specialized training on leveraging AI for digital marketing, creating products, and monetizing your creations. You'll get access to masterclasses like AI Profit Masterclass, insights on ChatGPT expertise, and strategies for Google Ads with AI, helping you optimize campaigns, create engaging content, and grow your business online. There are also guides on using AI to improve efficiency in everyday tasks, workplace processes, and creative production, so you can save time and increase output across multiple areas of your life. Finally, the bonuses are designed to make you financially independent and fully empowered as a creator or entrepreneur. With over 3,000 side hustle ideas, step-by-step instructions for creating products with AI, and actionable strategies to monetize every image or graphic you produce, NanoBanana AI gives you not just the tools, but the roadmap to succeed. Combined with the platform's commercial license, these bonuses ensure everything you create is yours to sell, share, or license, giving you total freedom to profit while minimizing risk. It's a complete package aimed at helping you achieve results faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. NanoBanana AI offers one of the most affordable and value-packed pricing models in the AI image generation space. For a one-time payment of just $16, you gain unlimited access to Google's NanoBanana model through the NanoBanana AI platform. This one-time fee includes unlimited image generation, editing, style swaps, batch creation, high-resolution exports, and full commercial rights. Unlike many other AI tools that charge recurring subscriptions or impose credit limits, NanoBanana AI lets you create as much as you want, whenever you want, without worrying about additional costs. To make it even more risk-free, NanoBanana AI comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied or feel the platform doesn't meet your needs, you can request a full refund, no questions asked. This makes it an incredibly low-risk investment for anyone looking to explore AI-generated visuals, monetize content, or boost productivity with cutting-edge AI technology. Essentially, for less than the price of a cup of coffee per day, you can access a professional-grade AI suite that would otherwise cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars on other platforms. And that's a wrap-up on our detailed look at NanoBanana AI. From unlimited access to Google's NanoBanana model to studio-quality image generation, batch creation, style swaps, and a full suite of bonuses, this platform truly has everything a creator, entrepreneur, or business owner could need. Whether you want to produce stunning social media graphics, professional product shots, or unique digital artwork, NanoBanana AI makes it fast, simple, and completely accessible, no skills or expensive software required. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of NanoBanana AI and start creating, selling, or sharing your own high-quality images today, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss the latest reviews and tutorials on the best AI tools, productivity hacks, and digital business opportunities. This is your chance to take control of your creativity and your income, all with just a few clicks.